Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today in this video I'm here with a new site named as Pepe Micro Miner. Okay, so this is the Pepe Micro Miner where you can mine Pepe here. So I have 030517 Pepe. I will just click on this button, and afterward I will just enter this maximum here amount. Okay, and in my faucet pay, before that you can see that I have these 30 Pepe only. Okay, now I'm just going to click on this button, and afterward I got this here. Okay, I got this paid amount in my faucet pay account. So let me just show you here. I will just show you guys. You can see that I have now received 3054 Pepe here. Okay, so the payment has been received from Micro Miner Payments. So now let me just show you here. If you click in this dashboard, okay, afterward you will find that I have here 10 gigahertz of hash power that I have got here. Okay, this is the total mining power. So now you can see that the active miner here producing 129 th per second and 3.1 kilowatt of energy consumption here. Okay, and here is the details about this. Okay, so in the calculation you can see 16 Pepe every single day. Okay, in 3 days this much of Pepe, and this is the final profit, which is 5833333. Okay, and now this is the profit calculator, guys. You can see if you want to increase mining speed, so here is the minimum GH per second required, which is only 100k Pepe here. Okay, so now you will get in 1 day 1666 Pepe, in 3 days 5000 Pepe, as a final profit you are going to receive 58333331 Pepe here. Okay, so this is the best part, guys, that you can go with it. Okay, and now here is the button, deposit button. Just click on this, and this is the mining minimum here. Okay, in this minimum here is the Pepe here. Okay, so you can go here. Let me just show you the calculator. So if you are depositing, okay, if you are getting 100k GH per second, so you will get this as a return. Okay, and as much here you are going to get. Okay, so this is the Pepe amount, and this is the amount that you are going to get in your account. Now let me just click on the deposit. Okay, you can see 1000 GH per second costing only 100k Pepe. So just click on this buy now button, and afterward you can simply choose any one of the coin and you can go on. Okay, they have another miners like USDT, TRX, Pepe, Ton, Trump, Doji. So here the Pepe is active, but you can go on with this also. You can try this for free. Okay, this is basically a free miner where you can mine for free. Okay, and next here is the referral link. You just have to copy this referral link, guys, and yeah, you can copy this referral link, share it with your friend, and here you can see I have 30 members in my referrals here. Okay, and I got my referral link. Let me just show you. So this is the bonus that I got here. Okay, and affiliates, you have received a commission. I have received 20,000 Pepe. I have received 10,500 Pepe. So this was the here amount. Okay, and I have withdrawn this much of amount. So you can go on here like this. In my withdrawals also you can check. I have 30517 Pepe withdrawal, 4 Pepe withdrawal, 18 Pepe withdrawal. Okay, so you can go here and you can start earning now. I have mentioned the link of the site in the description box. You can check it out from there. Okay, and yeah, this video is for educational purpose, so invest at your own risk. Do your own research before any type of investment on this site. They have also a bounty program. If you want, you can participate here also. This much for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.